You're gonna love the 2020 Ford Edge. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a powerful, attention-getting Ford Edge. This midsize SUV blends capability, comfort, and versatility to infuse every adventure with confidence and make it easier to keep up with the demands of your busy life. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, hands-free liftgate, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, power passenger seat. Life is short, make the most of it. Get into this smart, sophisticated Edge and make every drive count. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.